Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically post videos to Instagram using our software. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to automatically post videos directly to your Facebook personal profile. Recently, I've made many videos about turning your personal profile into a money-making machine in 2026. And if you followed them, you probably already know that Facebook is becoming one of the hottest platforms right now. Posting content consistently on Facebook can generate a huge amount of income if you know how to leverage it correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post videos with Shopee affiliate product links attached using our multi-platform affiliate marketing software. Before we jump into the main content, let's start with a quick intro. Once you open the software, you'll see the option to post videos to your Facebook profile. Here, you can set up your posting scenario. I recommend keeping the action interval between 60 to 120 seconds to avoid platform detection. You can also set the number of posting actions. Usually around 20 is a safe configuration. Next, you can choose how many videos each account will post. You can also attach your affiliate links directly here. Simply paste your Shopee affiliate links, one link per line. Alternatively, if you already added affiliate links when managing your videos earlier, you don't need to reinsert them. The system will automatically apply those links during posting. Personally, I recommend attaching product links when setting up the video in advance. Why? Because each video should match the correct product. Preparing everything beforehand saves time and ensures better accuracy compared to manually adding links during posting. You can also set automatic comments after posting, such as promotional messages or additional affiliate links. The software allows both global configuration and individual account configuration. Global settings apply the same setup across all accounts. Individual settings allow each account to post different videos or follow different strategies. You can also define posting limits and allow duplicate videos across accounts if needed. Once everything is set up, simply save your configuration and schedule your campaigns. After that, the system will automatically post videos every day according to your schedule. When working with me directly, I'll guide you deeper into strategy setup and help you optimize your workflow for the best results. I've been working in this field for over 4 years, so I'll help you manage everything efficiently. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with my next videos. See you in the next one.